Welcome, Jeremy. So good to see you. Gee, it was like end of 2016 the last time, and I wonder how Paystan's going. What are you guys doing?
Yeah, good memory, Pemo. So we've continued to grow. Give you a little background. Paystan is one of the fastest growing B2B payment networks in the U.S. today. So the business has continued. I think we've probably 10x since we talked to you last. So, we feel very blessed. We're continuing to just keep our heads down, build a great business, build great teams, right?
Wow.
And focus on long-term value. So.
Fantastic. So what do you think's happened this year? It was sort of a nightmare. It went from like absolutely insane at the beginning of the year, end of last year, and now down to like just a tiny trickle.
Yeah, so it's no longer winter is coming, winter is here,
Yeah.
Right? But I think it's a good thing, to be honest. It's for somebody who's been in the blockchain space for a long time now. I think the exuberance of the last few years, it's good to get new people involved, but it also, we need to build something that's long-term and sustainable. And I think there was a lot of irrationality last year, and a lot of things that were unhealthy in the market. And so I think what's happened this year has actually been a very good thing, which is companies that are building real businesses, real product with real customers are positioned well in the long term.
Okay.
And ideas and companies that were a little more exuberant are getting flushed out. Yeah. So.
Right. Yeah. I noticed it seemed like the Russian mafia had come to town at the beginning of this year with so many conferences, and I was like, holy hell! Like I used to be like, one of the only ones, and now like there's these thousands of people from all over the world. So,
Right, yeah.
So tell me, what's your vision of 2019? How do you think things are going to go after what we've seen this year?
Yeah, so I think it's a slow rebuild, right? People often said a few years ago, blockchain was like 1995 or 1997, right, in the internet.
Yeah.
We're now post 2001 in the internet era. And so, I think the real companies that we know today that are mainstream society affecting technology companies were built out of that era.
Yes.
And so I think a lot of the blockchain companies that are going to be materially impactful long-term businesses are being built right now. So I'm really bullish that you're going to see 2019 is a place where a lot of great companies are going to double down. It's not going to be a big high-flying year, but the best companies I think are actually going to be built in this stage right now. So.
That's exciting. And someone told me not to use the word crypto anymore in 2019. What do you think about that?
Well, I'd say one thing
Out of favor?
I'd say one thing that's exciting to me. I work with unsexy B2B commercial companies, right? Is even though there's this crypto nuclear winter that happened this year, I get all day long more and more conversations with large enterprise financial service companies. And so, yeah, for them, that might be a blockchain conversation, not a crypto conversation, but the technology is advancing in the right ways.
Right.
And so it's sunk in in the places I think we want it to. So,
Right. Fantastic. Well, I'm looking forward to the panel, and so great to see you again.
Yeah, absolutely, Pemo. It's always great to be here with you. Yeah.